Hello, dear Scorpios. A very, very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading from 11th of June till 20th of June. So, keep in mind this is a journal love reading. It might or might not resonate with you. So, this is for all Scorpio Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Okay, and let's start. Let's start. Your partner's current energy right now is Scorpio. Let's see. Your partner's current energy right now is. So, the roles could be reversed as well. Okay. Your partner's current energy right now is Scorpio. Your partner's current energy right now is the Emperor. I feel like you could be dealing with an Aries, first of all. So I feel like your partner's current energy is that although they are very caring, although they are very loving from inside, they are acting very, very rude, adamant, and they are acting. This is somebody who is sticking to their decision. If they took some kind of decision in their life, they are going to stick to that decision. This is their energy right now. So I feel like this person is trying to some kind of decision and trying to stick on that decision no matter how hard it is for them, but they are going to be loyal to their own decision because this is the Emperor energy. Emperors are very, very loyal, and if they take any kind of decision, that is going to be for everybody's goodwill. This is the situation. So they are going to take some kind, they energetically at least they are trying to make some kind of decision that is going to be good for them and you as well. At least for they are feeling like this, that this is going to be good for both of you. Okay, let's clarify further the Emperor energy. Let's clarify. Page of Cups, Seven of Pentacles, and the Chariot. Okay, so this person is developing new feelings for you. They are waiting for the right time, but for the time being, they are trying to move on. This is the situation here. They are developing new feelings for you. These emotions are very, very new, and these emotions are very, very positive. They are going to wait for the right time. I feel like this person is waiting for the right time to reach to you and talk to you and reveal you that what they are feeling exactly. But for the time being, they are trying to move away. At least energetically, they are trying to move away from this situation, or move away from this particular connection. That is what they are right now feeling. You could be dealing with an earth sign. It is also possible. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Okay. So let's see. Your current energy right now is Scorpio. Your current energy right now is, let's clarify. Let's see. Your current energy right now is the Chariot. Okay, you both are feeling the same things. See the Chariot in their current energy. Now the Chariot in your current energy. You are very, very determined. You are very, very determined that I am going to get this success. Whatever you're thinking about, you are thinking about something and you are very, very adamant and courageous that I will get this thing no matter how hard it is. I'm very, very determined. I am going to be successful. I don't know what that successful meaning is for you, but yes, I am feeling like you are very, very adamant. You are acting very, very courageous, and you are very, very determined to get something. Might be you are also trying to move on from this situation right now, move on from this particular person right now. But let's see what you are very, very determined about right now. Let's clarify. The Chariot in your current energy. You are carrying lots of confidence. Okay, and you are very, very determined to do something in your life. What that something is, we will clarify. The Emperor, oh my god, the Six of Pentacles and the Ace of Swords. So I feel like you also took a decision. Oh my god. You guys are mirroring each other. This person is carrying Emperor in their current energy. You are carrying Emperor in your current energy. Two same cards from the different decks. Then again, this person is carrying the Chariot energy in their current energy. You are also carrying the Chariot energy in your energy. But the roles, but the there is a difference in the feelings, because I feel like you are ready to have an equal give and take. You took the decision that you are going to give this person another chance. You want to give this person another chance. You want to have equal give and take in this relationship, and you want to start this relationship all over again. You want to be succeed. You want to be successful. You want to be victorious in this connection, because you feel like this connection holds a lot of potential. So I feel like this person is, yes, surely they are having feelings for you, but they are right now trying to move away, trying to move on from the situation. You, on the other hand, is trying to make this connection work out. Okay, this is the difference between your current energies, Scorpios. Let's see what this person feels for you. Scorpio, their feelings for you. Scorpio, their feelings for you right now. Four of Wands. They feel that you have the potential to become their spouse. This is what they feel for you. This is the Four of Wands energy. They feel like there is stability in this connection. You are a very stable person, you are a very grounded person, you are a very practical person, you are a very passionate person, and they feel like you are a marriage material, you are a spouse material. Let's further clarify their feelings for you. Give me a second. Yeah, this is very hot here in India these days. Four of Wands, let's clarify. The Judgment, the Devil, and the Two of Swords. Okay, this person is feeling like you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Scorpio. So this person is feeling like they should forgive you, or you should forgive them. There is some kind of forgiveness game here. Either you have to forgive them, either they have to or they have to forgive you. There is some kind of forgiveness, and they feel like they're stuck on you somewhere. They're feeling like they're stuck on you, and they're feeling like they're emotionally off, emotionally, emotionally right now they're not stable at all, because they are somewhat possessive, they are somewhat obsessive, or they are, emotionally right now they are on the crossroads, which way to go, which way is the best way to go. Or it could also be possible they want forgiveness from you because there was a third party involved in this situation, but now the third party is over, and now they are just waiting for your forgiveness. And that is why this person feels like you are a stable option, you are a marriage material, you have the potential to become a spouse, you are a very good person in their eyes, in their point of view. This is the situation. Let's see what this person wants from you, Scorpio. Let's see what this person wants from you. The World. This person wants you to finish a cycle. Okay, there's something that is unfinished, unresolved, there's some kind of battle, there's some kind of conflict in this situation or in this connection. They want you to end that particular cycle. Might be a painful cycle. They want you to end this particular pain cycle and start all over again, start afresh. Let's clarify further. Three of Pentacles, the World again, the Wheel of Fortune. I'm fed up of the World card. Just fed up of this World card. I don't know why the World card is coming and again. So I feel like this person wants, yes, this person wants you to forgive them because there was third party involved in this situation. They feel like, or it could also be possible they want you to, finish something with the third party situation. Might be you are dealing with a third party, might be you are dealing with a different person as well, and this person as well, and they want you to complete the cycle with the different with the third party. They want you to end the cycle with the third party, and then start all over again with this particular person, because I feel like this person wants you to leave everything on the universe. Okay, don't force anything, don't do anything just to just to fit in the environment, just to fit in the relationship, or this kind of situation. So I feel like this person wants you to end some kind of situation from the third party, or it could mean that they want you to forgive them because of the third party and start all over again. So I feel like this person wants you to end some kind of cycle. There's a cycle here, there's something that is unfinished, unresolved. They want you to resolve this unresolved situation and start all over again. This is what they want from you. Okay, let's see what to expect from this person till 20th of June. Let's see. Death. Scorpio, you could be dealing with another Scorpio. So what to expect from this person till 20th of June? The Death card is here. So I feel like this person is transforming into something else. They are completely different person now. They are no longer the same person as they used to be. They are transforming themselves completely for this connection, for this relationship, because they are feeling this is the need of the hour. They have to change. They can't be the same again and again and again and come towards you, and you are going to reject them, or you are going to reject this situation. So that's why they are coming in towards you with a different energy. Or it could also mean right now that they are coming in towards you to have a breakup with you, or to take a break from you, because they feel like right now this break is required, this break is needed. This is the situation. Let's further clarify. We will see the Fool, the Three of Cups, and the King of Pentacles. Yes, so I feel like, yes, the first thing was okay for you. They want to have a brand new beginning, they want to start this connection all over again, they want to have a reconciliation, and they want to have a stable connection with you, stable, long term, committed, mature relationship with you. Okay, They want to have a reconciliation with you. They want to start this cycle all over again. They want to, start this connection all over again. This is the situation here. But there is a third party involvement here, either on your side or on their side, or might be from both of your parts. So both the parties right now might be dealing with the third party situation here. So I feel like both of you are right now trying to come out of the third party situation and then reconcile. It is the story for some of you, and for others of you I feel like this person wants you to end some painful cycle and start all over again, and this person is coming in towards you with a brand new energy. And this energy is very very different. The same person is coming in with a new brand new energy of love and beginning. Although I feel like there's not much love in this situation right now, but yes, they are developing new feelings for you, new love, new feelings. This is the situation here. Okay, so I don't feel like this is a new person, but yes, this is somebody whom you already know, but you guys had a fallout in the past, but now this person is ready to start all over again. Okay, Scorpios, this is the situation here. So thank you so much, Scorpios, for tuning in. I hope this reading will give you some kind of insight, and God bless you. Namaste. This is Anjali Tan. Thank you.